So it's been in the family since new. My grandfather bought it as a work truck, drove it back and forth from New Orleans to Pearl River. Had it for 10 years, gave it to my dad. My dad used it in high school. After high school, he kept on restoring it. It's been, I want to say, about 6 different colors, between pearl white to blue to two-tone, everything. And then finally, as you see with red, my dad had it for 43 years and then released it over to me. It's been in an Irwin family ever since brand new. The background with my grandfather, you know, sitting in that seat and my dad sitting in the seat, me growing up, seeing it go from the multiple different colors to working on it to sanding it down with dad. So a lot of the memories that I have with this truck are what I love about the truck the most. So just as the same advice my dad actually gave to me, go to car shows, get to know people, get to know your local area, find a good club or something like that that actually has a good mechanic. If you're not too familiar with how to work on these things, do your own work. You know, break out the books, learn how to do it. YouTube's a phenomenal thing now, so everybody can become a YouTube mechanic almost. But you know, take your time with it and enjoy it. Don't rush it. It's not an overnight project. It still has a lot of work to it, and it's been 55 years in the making, so 54. Yeah.